In today's video, I bring to you how to create a realistic avatar using Google Gemini. See, this is my realistic AI avatar. Even though I do not have an aesthetic studio physically, I can create one using Google Gemini. This is a simple, free method I'm sharing with you guys. Works for both laptop and phone.
To create this realistic avatar, go to your browser and search for Google Gemini. Open this particular result, and once the interface loads, sign in with your Google account to get started. Now that you are inside Gemini, click the plus icon. You're going to notice several upload options, but here is one hidden feature many people completely overlook. Under the More Upload options, you find Photos, Avatar, and the Notebooks. Click on Avatar, then select Try Now to begin creating your AI avatar. Gemini now asks you to continue using your mobile device. You will also see a QR code that links your phone to this setup. Before scanning, I want you to pay attention to this. The phone or device you are using, you must have already been signed into that same Gmail account shown here. Most especially at the browsing section, you must have been signed into that same Google account. You need to do this, otherwise it won't work properly. If you are using another phone, I recommend that you install this particular app from Play Store. In Play Store, search for QR and barcode scanner. Install it, then open the app. Once the app opens, simply scan the QR code that is displaying on the other device. If you don't want to scan, you can simply copy the website that is showing right there. Once you have copied the website, paste it in your already logged in email address, then verify it using the same Google account already linked to your Gemini session. After the verification, tap Open, then select Agree when prompted to start creating your avatar. Now it's time to take your selfie. The reason why you are taking this selfie is for Google Gemini to capture your face properly so that your avatar will look exactly like you. You should bear in mind that you need to keep your face perfectly centered inside this circle for the best possible results. Also, stay in a quiet environment because Google Gemini will display a few numbers on your screen. Read each one aloud clearly because it will use your voice later whenever your avatar speaks. So simply follow every instruction that is being shown to you right here and be careful about it, because the better your recordings, the more realistic your final avatar will sound and look. Once everything is completed, return to the original Gemini page. Yes, this particular page where you were able to click on avatar to create avatar. Return to that original Gemini page. This is where you will start creating fun things. Here you will see your newly created selfie. Yeah, it's still in a selfie format. That's this selfie you just captured. It's already saved into this place. So if you are not satisfied with this selfie, if maybe you didn't position your head very well or you are not just satisfied, you can always retake your avatar. Mine looks great already, so I'm just going to continue using this version. A selfie avatar, let me call it like that, is ready, but something is still missing. We need a professional environment that will make it look even more realistic, because this is just my face showing and I really need to superimpose, let me put it like that, myself into a realistic environment. So we need a professional environment that will make it look even more realistic. To get this done, go to Pinterest and search for Cozy Studio for content creators. Scroll through different ideas until you find one that perfectly matches your style or what you feel like you can use. I really like this one, so I'll go ahead and download it. I'll go to ChatGPT, the popular ChatGPT. This image I generated from Pinterest, it is in portrait mode, so I want to convert it to a landscape mode because I'll be posting it here on YouTube. So I want something landscape, so I upload in this image on ChatGPT and ask it to convert it into landscape format. In just a few seconds, here is the landscape version. download it because that's what we're going to be using in the next step. On that same chat with ChatGPT, I still asked ChatGPT to generate a detailed scene description of this studio I gave to it to convert to landscape. And immediately, ChatGPT gave me every detail concerning this particular background. And this is what I'll be using right now. Now, let's take it one step further. I go back to Gemini, then I click the plus icon, I select my selfie avatar. I call it selfie avatar. So once I've selected that, I upload in the background I want my avatar to be in, then I put in quotes her dialogue, what she should say, and hit on send, and you're going to see the amazing results. This looks incredibly realistic, and the best part is that it even uses my own voice recording. Listen to this, guys.
As you can see, this is my realistic AI
This is
avatar.
actually my voice. So now I wanted my avatar to keep talking instead of stopping at one clip. So this leads me to creating a long dialogue for my avatar. So what I simply do is still on that same chat in Gemini, I simply type this saying, continue this, let her say. After putting in what she should say as the dialogue, hit on send, and within a few seconds, Gemini generates another realistic video. What actually impressed me the most is that it still maintained the exact environment, the same voice, and the overall appearance, just like the first one I generated without changing everything. So mind you that if video of my avatar that is talking is 10 seconds long. So if you want to create a long talking realistic avatar, you need to make sure that everything or the dialogue which you are typing in should be able to be said in 10 seconds maximum. You get me? So from this, I got like 30 seconds long realistic talking avatar footage. And just like that, I have successfully created a long realistic talking AI avatar completely using Google Gemini. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.